one day. It's Hiccups. Mm-mm.
Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden and play.
Mommy, you could go out to play with the finish your breakfast. Don't drink a juice too quickly. Oh, the Hiccups song. What happened to it?
George drank his juice too quickly, and now he has hiccups.
There once upon a time, you always had enough. What about you, Dayjoy? And alright, you could go out to play with me and enjoy. Where are we going now?
Love playing in the garden.
We play in the garden. George, I love to play basketball. What happened? George, you had to play happy. George! Now you're going to play after this. Ow! Oh no, George's back is for the game. George, you have to find these animals in the jungle. You look at these, look. What happened? Oh, that's a tickle. And itchy, Ichabod, I.
Peppa's cure for hiccups.
Just to sort of the hiccups now. George, I want to buy this now. Uh-oh. I know, you can have a great idea. Step 1, step 2, step 3. You stand up. Now you try it then. And then the hiccups. And now when you say no, and then I watched it. That time. Peppa didn't work either. George has hiccups. You can have a great idea. What did George do? George, that's not my fundamental takings. Remember, at the usual, they're gonna determine 2 bits, but not right now. Okay, I put it back. I'm sorry, sir. The hiccup. The hiccups are gone now. Here comes Daddy Big with 2 pickups to do. George, pick up it again. You could do that again. And I just play it again. And then pass it George. Ha 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 ha! What happened? Oh. And now we do. Ha 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 ha! Next. I'm Peppa Pig. This is mine because the butter joint. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Father Pig. Peppa Pig. Daddy loses his glasses. Daddy Pig is playing the television.
He needs to wear glasses.
With wearing a glasses.
When Daddy Pig
When Daddy Pig wins the TV potato. When Daddy Pig loses the microphone. I'm going to see that now. You can see that too. Oh no! Look when the dog is playing with. Yeah. And then play. Mommy, Peppa and George are playing with the basket. George, why are you doing that? It's fun. It's something to do. I need to find something else to do. It's Carly. God. Oh dear. The hand stopped needing to play and then you're going to play. Where'd the glasses go? God, the glasses are all gone now. He wants to buy something to do. Not the glasses. What happened to my glasses? You have Mom Daddy paid now? Where is my glasses go? And they're gonna know. Daddy, I love this song. That's a good idea, Peppa. Daddy, look, my glasses. I love this glasses. Peppa and George love the big glasses. I find a newspaper. And that is not here. Oh. George has to watch television. That is okay. And oh. Oh no, where did the TV go? Mommy Daddy. How many Georges is this movie?